Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are looking at the S&P 200 market update for the first week of January 2020. And welcome back. And remember to subscribe, like, and share with this video. We will talk more about the market update each month for the next 12 months about where the S&P 200 is going, and a couple other indices too. So don't forget to check in every week. We do video every week. So I will tell you more about it as we go through in 2020. Now, let's get started. Okay, so what do we have? We're looking at the S&P 200 Australian index. So a couple of things I want to point out. This is a monthly chart. So as you can see, we're looking at each month. So if it's much just easier for me to scroll back. Now we have since 2008, we have the market run up and have a couple times pullbacks, about 3-4 times in the last 10 years. And now we're sitting exactly where the previous high is. We touched the high a few times. So this is the last high, which was back in November, the 07. And the market hasn't touched it since this year. So we tested a couple times this year, in July, in November, and December. Okay. Now, the thing is, we do need to clear this. If we do clear this, and then we will have an upward trend. Now, but the market's been run up for 10 years already. It's been running pretty hot. Unless there's some major things happening in Australia, to punch through this, to have a upward momentum or bull market, if you want to put it that way, will be quite challenging. It doesn't mean it won't happen. It can happen. The question is just when it will happen. Okay. So as you know that I do run a hedge fund. So the thing is, if the market do go this way, fine. I'm more happy for it. I can just trade upside. But if the market is going down, on the other hand, I will trade the short side just the same. So you need to have your risk management put in place. I have my algorithms running nicely. I have my trading bots picking and analyzing stocks. So it's not even an issue there. So you need to have some sort of a plan put in place. Now, I draw the lines here for a reason. They are the blue lines. We do need to punch through this in order to have the upward momentum or the bull market or this support here. It's been trading sideways since July. It's been 4 months. Okay, so we do need this thing go through. And either way, we'll be fine. Bull market, everyone makes money. Bear market, on the other hand, is consolidation. So it's not a bad thing. We do need to consolidate a bit because we had too much debt in Australia. Check out the market condition video that I did in December. I'll be doing one very soon. There will be one due very soon actually. So just keep an eye on the market. The forecast is okay, but we still need to be cautious. So what I'm going to do is going to switch to the daily charts. Weekly charts. So this is each week, and look at the market. Now, so this is the last week of December. I mean, there ain't much information, so the market's moving sideways. It's an inside day, if you don't know what that means. So inside day, basically, the high is lower than the previous high, but the low is higher than the previous low. So basically what it means is there's no direction. Check out the video on the inside day. That will tell you more about what it is. So they give you some idea. So the market is not moving anywhere. As you can see, it will be good to get out from this trading zone, because then at least there's some direction. Without direction, it's just people unloading basically their stocks. So just be aware of it. Anyway, this is all I want to talk to you about. Dow Jones is up, so it's always tends to be up anyway. It will continue to go up actually, and there's some story about possible market collapse for the real estate, but that's just the real estate side. The Dow Jones index looks pretty good. It's gone up 5,000-6,000 points. I mean, for us too, it's not too bad. Since the low at 5,300, we did about 900 points. So we did quite well since December last year. Whether this will continue is another thing. It's not a bad thing to have some sort of a pullback, because then we can then go forward with the bull market. But it's a very interesting market time. I actually look forward to trading this because it's going to be fun. there's not as much. If the market just go one way, it's great, down is fine, but sideways is quite challenging. But it's going to be a very interesting 2020. So hopefully you guys have a great 2020. Keep investing, keep trading. Make sure you have your risk management plan put in place. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it. And also go on to the Skillshare. I got a free course there. So method of investing you can actually do for free. So there are a couple things out there that's free for you guys. So have a look at it and get some more knowledge in 2020. The more you have, the better you will be, the better trader, investor you will be. So go and have some fun with it. And I will keep you posted each month. Each week we have videos up anyway. So keep coming back to our YouTube channel. Go to our website, check out different things we do. And I will speak to you soon.